In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Google Workspace business email. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in workspace.google.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Google Workspace. So what you can do is simply click on this option solutions that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the solutions for individuals, for business and for enterprise. Under the section for business, you'll be able to find these options over here. So click on this option, new business or small business, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to get the email for your business. Click on this option, get started. Now you can see over here, you can get started with a fresh new account, or you can also upgrade your Google account. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, create a new account. Now once you do that, what you have to do is provide these informations over here. First of all, enter the business name. Now after you do that, also select the number of employees over here. Now also select the region, click on the field of region. Now you'll be able to find various countries over here. Click on the country of your choice. Now what you have to do is scroll down and click on this option next. Now provide your contact information. Enter your first name, last name and current email address over here. Now click on this option next. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to choose a way to set up your account. You can get a new custom domain if you want, or you can also set up using your existing domain. So what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Now click on this option, continue with this method that you can see on the screen. Now if you selected the option for creating the new domain, what you have to do is search for the domain names over here. Simply click on the field of domain names. Now search for it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to purchase this specific domain. You'll also be able to see the price over here. Click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter your business information over here. Click on the field of street address. Now enter your street address over here. Now likewise, you'll have to enter the city, state and zip code. Also provide your phone number. Now click on the next option. Now what you have to do is create a username and password for yourself. Click on the field of username. Now what you have to do is enter your username over here. Now after you do that, click on the field of password and create a password for yourself. Likewise, confirm the password. Now after you do that, if you would like to receive the future announcement, check on this box. Likewise, if you want to send your team members emails about the workspace, simply check on this box. Now click on this option, agree and continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the plans. You can compare all the plans and click on this option, start a trial for the plan that you want to continue with. Now once you do that, you'll have to review the information and plan that you selected. Now what you have to do is simply provide your contact information and payment method over here. So click on the field of contact information. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the organization name, legal name, street address, city, state and zip code over here. After that, click on the option save. Likewise, what you have to do is select the payment method. So for that, click on this option, add payment method. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the payment method. Right now, credit or debit card is available. So click on this option, add credit or debit card, that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is enter your card details. Enter the card number, expiry date, security code and cardholder name over here. Now click on this option, save card. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, agree and start 14-day trial, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for the transaction to be completed. After the transaction has been completed, your account will be created. Now you'll be able to get the business email for yourself. So that is how you create Google Workspace business email. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.